I'm going to demonstrate the use of SIM medium. S for sulfur reduction, I for indole production, and M for motility. I like this test because you get 3 results with 1 inoculation. So as you can see, it is a dip, and similar to the way you would inoculate the motility test, you're going to use a needle for the inoculation. And it is recommended that you only do 1 stab rather than doing multiple stabs, because it makes it very difficult to read the motility result. This one does not have a color indicator. We're going to aseptically transfer with the needle from the stock tube into the fresh SIM tip. 1 single straight stab, as straight as you can get it. You go in, out. You're going to incinerate your needle again, and this will be incubated for 48 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. Now, you're going to read first the sulfur reduction results and the motility results. You read the indole results last because you're going to have to add a reagent. So, for the sulfur reduction, you look to see if there's any black color in the dip. And these 2 organisms, even though you can see that there's growth in the tubes, they are not showing any black color, so they will be negative for sulfur reduction. Now, for the motility, we're going to look for radiating growth. The tube on this hand actually has this turbidity, is murky looking. That is your E. coli, it is motile. The tube on this hand is Klebsiella pneumonia. Notice that there's just a single line in the inoculation line. Those little bubbles is because the environment is anaerobic, so it is gassy, but it is not motile. I am going to add 3 millimeters of this reagent. This is Kovacs reagent, and this is how we're going to be able to see if there was indole production for these tubes, and that's due to the breakdown of tryptophan by the enzyme tryptophanase. I'm going to remove the caps, plane them, and I'm going to add the drops on top of the dip. I'm going to replace the caps, and we're going to look for a color change. As you can see, both of them remain yellow. If the color had changed to pink, that would have been a positive indole. So these organisms are negative for indole production. Now, something important about the motility. If there is black color throughout the tube, you're not going to be able to see that it's motile or not motile, because that is going to be an inconclusive result for motility, as the black color does not allow you to see the motility of the organism.